Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn about Hisense Roku TV black screen with sound, fix, how to reset, no picture. Fix 1. Power cycle the TV. Unplug the TV from the power outlet, wait for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, plug the TV back in and turn it on. This can refresh the system and resolve minor glitches. Fix 2. Check cable connections. HDMI cables. Ensure all HDMI cables are securely connected. A loose or faulty HDMI cable can disrupt the video signal. Try unplug and replug the cables or test with a different HDMI cable. Fix 3. Perform a factory reset. Locate the reset button on the back of the TV, a small recessed button. Use a paperclip or similar object to press and hold the reset button for about 15 seconds. Release the button and wait for the TV to reboot. Fix 4. Contact Hisense support. If none of the troubleshooting steps resolve the issue and the black screen persists, it's advisable to contact Hisense customer support for professional assistance. The link for Hisense customer support will be provided in the description. When you click on the link, a web page will be appeared on your screen. When you scroll, you will find a form that you can fill and then can submit or send your request. Service support useful numbers are also given here. You can select your product type and can call to order any spare part or accessory also. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment and share our video. Subscribe to our channel and stay connected with us by pressing the bell icon.